In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a paypal.me link to request payments from people. If you've ever found yourself needing a simple and efficient way to request money, the paypal.me link is your solution. It's a straightforward process that allows you to share your payment details without the exchange of any personal information. Let's walk through the steps together. First, make sure you have a PayPal account set up. If you don't, head over to PayPal's website and register for one. Once you're ready, open your web browser and go to the PayPal homepage. Look for and click on the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. You may be prompted for a text verification for added security. If you see an option to receive a text through WhatsApp or a standard SMS, go ahead and select it. You'll receive a code that you'll enter to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the PayPal homepage. Here you'll want to look for the settings option. It usually appears as a gear icon near the upper right part of the page. Click on that to enter your account settings. Once you are in the settings menu, keep an eye out for an option labeled Manage. Go ahead and click on it. This area allows you to handle various features concerning your account, including managing payment preferences. Next, locate the option that says Share your link. This is where the magic happens. By clicking this, you're about to make requesting payments easier for yourself and for those who owe you money. The system will guide you through customizing your paypal.me link. You can personalize it with a unique identifier, often your name or business name, which makes it recognizable to those who receive it. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred name and be sure to save any changes. Once your link is set up, you'll have the option to copy it or share it directly via email, social media, or messaging apps. Whenever someone clicks your paypal.me link, they'll be directed to a page where they can easily send you money. It's especially useful in business transactions or for simple reimbursements between friends and family. And that's it, you've created a paypal.me link. It's a powerful tool that simplifies receiving payments, making your financial transactions smoother and more efficient. Keep your link handy for when you need it, and don't forget to always use secure networks when handling online transactions. Thanks for following along, and happy transacting.